friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a vocal warm-up that will give you a vocal workout as well. If you'd like to try some more gradual warm-ups, check out the links below or maybe this one linked up here. Taking a training approach to singing, we need to make sure that we're building skills that we will need. And that sometimes means finding our edges. As we go along today, if something feels tight or uncomfortable, take a break, release the tension, return to your breath before jumping back in to the rest of the vocal warm-ups and exercises. Let's start with an occluded Vvvv. For this, I'm focusing on relaxing as well as moving the air along. Here we go. Now let's work through an efficient Eeee. We'll double up this exercise. It sounds like this. Eeee, Eeee. Here we go. Eeee, Eeee. This exercise works on flexibility among other things. We will sing Zee-ah, 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 Zee. 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 Zee-ah, Zee-ah, Working through some different vowels now and coordinating the onset, let's try ki, ke, ka, ko, ku. Keep them fairly detached. Try to really hear each note before you sing it. Here we go. Ki, ke, ka, ko, ku. on an extended phrase, we're going to sing on me, may, ma. Here's the pattern. Me, may, ma. Me, may, to a g, g, g sound. This will work on breath coordination and a neutral, flexible larynx. We can sing g, 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 g. Here we go. G, 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 g. G, 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 g. Singing now on a simple E sound, let's try E. Here we go. Bringing in some breath coordination and range, let's sing on yo ho ho, like yo ho 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 ho. Feel free to modify that vowel as it gets higher. Here we go. Yo ho 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 ho. 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 Yo Finally, let's move to a Zee-ah. Moving from an efficient E to a free and open ah. Here we go. Zee-ah, 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 Thanks so much for singing with me. I hope you'll sing a little every day. I will see you next time.